To add a watermark to your YouTube video is fairly simple. Now, all you need to do is simply navigate to YouTube Studio, and then from here, you're going to go ahead and select Customization. Under Customization, you're going to scroll all the way down until you find Video Watermark, and then you can see the resolution and the scale that it needs to be in. So 150 by 150, and it needs to be in either PNG, GIF with no animation, BMP, JPEG, and it needs to be 1 MB or less. Once you've successfully created your video watermark with all of that in mind, you're going to go ahead and select upload. Then you're going to choose your watermark and just open it up. From here, customize it to your liking. So whether you want to focus on something or the other, then select done. So now you can choose when you want it displayed, either at the end of the video, custom start time, so from a specific time period the video starts, or from the entire video. Once you've chosen that, you're going to select publish. And now, whenever you look at any video that's coming from your YouTube channel, you should be able to see the video watermark branded onto it. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.